District Admin Srinagar's ruling trophy for Intercollege Cricket Tournament inaugurated at Sri Pratap College. Srinagar, 16th May, Senior Superintendent of Police, SSP, Srinagar, Dr. G.V. Sandeep, on Saturday inaugurated the District Administration Srinagar's ruling trophy for the Intercollege Cricket Tournament, Men and Women, 2026 at SP College Srinagar under the Youth Engagement and Empowerment Program. The inaugural ceremony was attended by several dignitaries, including Dr. Seem Naz, Nodal Principal, Kashmir Division Colleges, Elford Thomas, IAS Probationer, Dr. Haris Izhar Tantre, Principal, SP College Srinagar, Dr. Hudda Gajali, Principal, Government College for Women Nawa Kadal Srinagar, Dr. Tehmeena Yusuf, Principal, Islamia College of Science and Commerce Srinagar, and Dr. Deeba Sarmad, Principal, GDC Eidgah Srinagar, besides SSP Traffic Srinagar, SP East Srinagar, and Show Kothi Bagh. Officials from the Youth Services and Sports Department Srinagar, the Chief Planning Officer, CPO, Srinagar, Physical Training Instructors, PTIs, Assistant Physical Training Instructors, APTIs, and other officers were also present on the occasion. The inaugural match of the tournament was played between Amar Singh College and Government Degree College Haidapora. Amar Singh College won the toss and elected to field first. A total of 18 teams from various government degree colleges have registered for the tournament, including 9 mains teams and 9 women's teams. The participating mains teams include Government College of Education, IASC, Srinagar, GDC Haidapora, Amar Singh College, GDC Bemina Srinagar, GDC Women MA Road Srinagar, SP College Srinagar, GDC Eidgah, Islamia College of Science and Commerce Srinagar, and Gandhi Memorial College Srinagar. The women's category included teams from GDC Jakura, Vishwa Bharati College, Amar Singh College, GC Women MA Road Srinagar, SP College Srinagar, Gandhi Memorial College Srinagar, Islamia College of Science and Commerce Srinagar, and GC Women Nawa Kadal Srinagar.
College and all the participating students. So at the outset, I warmly welcome the chief guest for today's program, Dr. G.V. Sandeep Chakravarti, SSP Srinagar. I also take the pleasure of welcoming our young youth icon, Elford Thomas, IAS, who is on his probation and is working with the District Administration Srinagar. We also have with us Fayaz Ahmed Dar, CPO, District Administration Srinagar, who has been very instrumental in organizing this tournament. I also welcome Professor Hudda Gajali, Principal, GCW Nawakadal, Principal of the host college, Haris Sahab, faculty of the host college, officials from the youth services, our PTIs, and all the sports, our cricket teams from the different colleges of District Srinagar who are participating in this cricket tournament, which we are going to kickstart today. And it will be different teams, around 9 teams of men and 9 teams of women will be taking part in this tournament. And I am very thankful to the principal, SP College, his entire team, for providing us this venue for organizing this program under Youth Empowerment, which is an initiative of the District Administration Srinagar. And this is the second series of programs that we are organizing in our colleges. The first, we had organized a debate competition in Amar Singh College. This is the second program. I'm so happy to see a huge number of teams participating, and we are sure that building young sports people is one of the very important tasks of the higher education institutions. If we look at these activities from a different prism and the ongoing activities which we are also doing in our higher education institution under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, sports plays a very important role and encourages youths not only in the holistic development but in developing good habits and values. Sportsmanship that comes through fair play, is a very important element which we want to inculcate in our youth. We generally say no to drugs and say yes to sports. Say no to drugs and say yes to life. So both the themes are well blended in today's program, and I am seeing a huge response of students from SP College and from all other district Srinagar colleges who are looking forward to playing. Cricket has always been a very popular sports among the youth, and I'm sure that we will get to see good fair play. We have all the PTIs from district Srinagar colleges who will be officiating these different tournaments, and we have a very beautiful venue that is SP College. I, on behalf of the faculty and the staff and the students, once again warmly welcome our chief guests and all other guests, all other people who are present today. And it is always the presence of the students that marks the initiatives that we lead. Without you, we cannot lead any initiative. So you are the most important people, and I wish that the best team wins and we see a fair play, and inshallah we will meet again on the valedictory function where the best team will win and the second best team will be the runner-up. So with these words, I am expressing my gratitude once again to the host college for facilitating this event and for also overseeing the event all along these days that it is being held. Thank you very much and a warm welcome.
हमारे youth constructive activities में busy हो जाते हैं, and it is necessary. And I request all the youth also to stay away from the negative energies like social media, drugs, mobile phones. So जो energy, जो positivity cricket fields में दिखते हैं, that is the future of Srinagar and that is the future of our country. Cricket, yes, as we all know, Kashmir में हर घर में क्रिकेट प्लेयर होते हैं. सो अच्छा लगता है इसे क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट्स में आने में. क्रिकेट सिर्फ एक खेल नहीं है, हमको पेशेंस, एक टीम स्पिरिट और एक लीडरशिप सिखाते हैं. सो आपसे मैं एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है कि busy yourself in education and sports activities, stay away from all the negative energies, and जो भी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं आज क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट में, मैं सबको विश करना चाहता हूँ. यस, सब जीत के लिए खेलते हैं, लेकिन इसके साथ साथ पार्टिसिपेशन एंड कैरेक्टर इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो मेंटेन दैट and all the best to you all, and we JK Police, we are always here to help you, to support you. And once again I congratulate district administration and नोडल ऑफिसर मैम, जो भी कॉलेजेस जो भी इस वंडरफुल इनिशिएटिव को सोचा और इम्प्लीमेंट किया. थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल. थैंक यू.
Speaking on the occasion, SSP Srinagar highlighted the importance of sports in character building and youth development. He said that tournaments and sporting events not only nurture talent but also channel the energy of young people toward productive and meaningful activities. He emphasized that the discipline learned through sports plays a vital role in shaping responsible citizens. He further urged students to stay away from drugs and adopt healthy lifestyles, stating that drug abuse poses a serious threat to society and the future of youth. Youngsters must utilize their potential in positive avenues such as sports, education, and community service. Collective efforts from parents, teachers, police, and society are essential to eradicate the menace of drugs, he said. Addressing the gathering, Nodal Principal Kashmir Division College's Dr. Seem Naz emphasized the importance of sports in promoting youth engagement, discipline, and empowerment. She said that sporting activities help students develop leadership qualities, teamwork, and mental resilience while keeping them focused on constructive pursuits. She encouraged students to actively participate in extracurricular and sports activities to build confidence and maintain both physical and mental well-being. Highlighting the growing concern of drug abuse among youth, she stated that educational institutions and society must work collectively to create awareness and provide positive platforms for young people. Sports can become a powerful tool in protecting youth from falling prey to substance abuse and other social evils, she remarked. The event concluded with enthusiasm among participating students and teams, marking the beginning of the much-awaited inter-college cricket tournament aimed at promoting sports culture and youth empowerment across Srinagar.